Hey guys, we're exploring this SVA black seed carrier oil for test and try. Glass bottle with a dropper, 4 fluid ounce, black seed oil for the hair care, scalp massage, or the hair oiling, face care, skin care, body massage, or anywhere you want to use it for. So this comes with this dropper, and this comes in this amber colored bottle for the light protection. So let me just open this up and show it to you. The consistency and the product itself, how it looks. So this is a nice carrier oil with a sustained nourishment and a multi-purpose use. So it's all protected, as you can see it here. So this one is a little like dark color, like the amber colored, and let me just take on the finger and show it to you. So here this is a nice consistency and not irritating or um, just have a nice use. So I'm just using it on my hair side just to show you, and you can see like the use.